Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to find a void check on TD app. First, open the TD app on your phone and sign into your account. From the home screen, tap My Accounts and then select Banking. If you don't see the option right away, scroll down through the menu until you find it. Next, select the bank account for which you need a void check or direct deposit information. Once the account opens, tap the Details tab. Here, select Direct Deposit Info. The app will display your account information on the screen, including your bank name, transit number, branch number, institution number, and account number. You can use these details to set up direct deposit with your employer, government agencies, or other organizations that require your banking information. If you need a downloadable copy, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Download Form. The TD app will generate a PDF document containing your direct deposit information. Once the download is complete, open the PDF using a PDF reader on your device. You can save the file, print it, or share it as needed. This document can often be used in place of a void check when setting up direct deposits or pre-authorized payments. After reviewing or saving the form, you'll have access to all the banking details needed for your direct deposit setup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Xfinity Hotspot on PS5. First, make sure you have an active Xfinity Internet, Comcast Business Internet, Xfinity mobile account, or a valid Now Wi-Fi pass. On your phone, open the Xfinity app and sign in with your Xfinity ID. Now tap the Wi-Fi tab and select Wi-Fi hotspots, then tap Connect automatically and follow the on-screen instructions to enable hotspot access on your device. Once your device is set up, go to an area where an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot is available. On your PS5, open Settings from the home screen. Now go to Network and select Settings. Then choose Set up Internet Connection. Wait for your PS5 to scan for available wireless networks. Look for a network named Xfinity Wi-Fi Xfinity or Xfinity Mobile and select it. If prompted, enter your Xfinity login credentials or complete the sign-in process using the instructions shown on screen. After the connection is established, select Test Internet Connection to make sure everything is working properly. Once the test is complete, your PS5 will be connected to the Xfinity hotspot and ready for online gaming, streaming, downloads, and other internet features. If you're having trouble finding a hotspot, use the Xfinity app to locate nearby hotspots before connecting your PS5. Keep in mind that hotspot speed and performance may vary depending on your location and the number of users connected to the hotspot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.